Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new hair tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be a sleek low bun, the one I had in the previous video, and let's go. First off, we have to get ready for the arm workout we're about to do. Yes, I'm starting on freshly detangled hair. My hair is not washed, by the way. I have a shoot the next day and I'm supposed to come with this hairstyle, so I decided to make it and record the video for you guys, hence why we're in a different and plain background. So as you can see, I'm taking my time to get rid of that knot. Please be careful with your hair, don't just do everything with force, you will break your hair. So yes, the knot is out and I'm just going to finger detangle, get my hands through it to make sure that there is no knot anywhere. Now I'm going to be putting my hair in sections. You should know that by now, that if you're working on your natural hair, be it wash day or a hairstyle, you have to work in sections so you can achieve the desired hair look or style you are going for. So I'm just going to take out the back section. And then I'm going to put it in a bun. Make sure that it's very, very tight. Now I'm going to divide the front section into two parts. I'm going for a center part, so I'll make sure I have a clean center part. Now this look, we are going to be using less to no gel. I use gel, but it's not that much. The tip to achieve this sleek bun is to dry brush or dry comb your hair, so you can get rid of the knots, smoothen the curls. Make sure you go through the curls very well, at least this way you can get your hair straightened to an extent. Now I'm going to do a tight cornrow to stretch my hair further. My hair is moisturized, by the way, because of my moisture routine while I was on the cornrow, so you can see that it's shiny. Now I'm going to dry brush the second place. Remember, you comb or brush from your ends to your roots. Now I don't know what made me do this, but it kind of worked. I went ahead to put it in a band first before making it into a cornrows, just so that it will be stretched. You need to achieve a sleek low bun, you need your hair to be stretched to an extent. I don't advise going further with heat. That's why I'm doing this, and this is easy and less damage too. Now I'm just going to cornrow the back section and just put it away. Then I'm going to take out the cornrows for these two front section and properly brush it again. Now I'm going to brush it with my bristle brush, with my detangling brush or detangling comb, and go ahead to use a bristle brush to brush it. You'll see that very soon. So I'm going to brush it and put it in the desired way I want it to be. So this is how I want to pack my hair in the back, so I'm going to brush it to that direction. Don't worry, you will see what I'm doing and you understand. I dry brush it with a detangling brush, then I go ahead with a bristle brush. Take your time, take your time. Now I'm going to try and put all of them together with the back section into one bun. You have to keep detangling so that you can have it as smooth as possible. And remember, I did not take out the bun at the back. Now I'm going to take my eco styling gel, just a little of it, and apply it to the top of my hair and brush it again. I'm just trying to get it as sleek as possible with less product. You're going to brush and brush and brush till you get the desired shape that you want. You can see that it's not easy. I had to stretch my arm. You just have to keep brushing till you get that sleek low bun look and in that shape that you want it to be. So now that I think I've gotten it, I'm going to put my hair in a bun, including the back section. Remember, I did not take out the back section. Now I'm going to braid the rest of the bun into cornrows, two each, two because I already have one braided at the back. That makes it three. Now this will just help in installing the braiding hair to it. So now I'm going to go ahead to apply another layer of my eco styling gel and do, I think, the final brushing for the meantime. You can see that it's already sleek and I don't have layers of product in my hair. I didn't apply gel in all the sections of my hair, just the top, and I already have a sleek low bun. This way you get less product and you get that desired result that you want. You can see that I'm happy here. I wrapped my hair with a scarf and I'm going to be using this braiding hair. Now let me tell you, this is where, see that dance you just saw me dancing, everything ended because I don't know what happened. This braiding hair was stressing me out. But anyways, just sit back, watch and relax. I cut it into two and I used only one section at first. Then I went ahead to add to it because it was quite small and I wanted it to match the size of my hair. So for this I did not pull it. I don't know how to explain this, but this way I will get a more feathered ends instead of blunt ends. It was already late in the night and I did not have time to start feathering it or picking it, whatever it's called. So now I'm going to, you can see the way it is. One section is long and one is short. This will enable me attach it to my hair. I don't know if I'm explaining it well, but you will see what I'm talking about. So I'm just going to take a scrunchie or hairband and attach it, use it to wrap the braiding hair around my hair. So you can see that there's a short part at the back and a long part in front. So I'm going to wrap the short part to my hair at the back, secure it tightly while the long part is in front. Make sure it's very tight. Now this braiding hair was just stressing me. and now we already have a pony. You can see, very easy, very simple. It already covered my hair, but I wanted a braided pony, so I went ahead to braid it. You can see that I'm happy because it's giving the look that I wanted to give. Now the mistake I made was taking out my cornrows, like my hair that was already cornrowed. I advise that if you want to do this, do not take out those braids. That hair you already made, leave it like that and braid it with the braiding hair like that. It's going to be easy and less stressful. I don't have got to be spray, so I'm using the got to be glue, and I'm trying to wrap the end so that it's secure, clean and tight. Now this thing is very sticky, and at a point I was disgusted, but anyways, let's go. Make sure you comb it through so you can get rid of any knot, and it's very smooth. Then I just went ahead to wrap it around. You can see that I'm already stressed at this point because the thing was, I don't know if it's the braiding hair. The braiding hair was flying out and the got to be glue was sticky, so everything was just frustrating me, but it came out well. I was able to wrap it neatly. But I advise, got to be spray is easier than this one is stress, I beg. I see the disgust in my face. The girl is tired, sticky. So now that we are done and that is out of the way, we are supposed to braid it. Now I'm going to say it again. Please do not lose the braided hair, like your natural hair that you already braided. Honestly, you can see that at this point I am angry, tired, disgusted because I lost my hair and I could not blend it smoothly with the braiding hair, and the braiding hair was detangling and flying away. I had to leave the camera and go stand in front of a mirror and do it properly. And this is it, yeah. Finally braided. You can see that the back is even big, but it was actually fine. Then I took a smaller rubber band just to secure the ends because I didn't want to braid it to the tip. I planned to curl the ends, but at this point this young lady was tired, disgusted, and it was past 2. I needed to sleep, so I just cut the ends and left it like in a blonde cut. Because of the stress and struggle from getting my braiding hair sleek with my natural hair, my sleek bun was already, I don't think it was sleek again, it was already coiling up, but by the grace of God we revived it. So this is what it was looking like. I would advise that just less stress, do not lose the braided hair, like your hair that is already braided. Why do I keep saying braided hair? Your hair that you already cornrowed, don't lose it. Just fix it in the braiding hair and braid it all together. You are going to get a different result, I am very sure. And if you don't want to go through the stress of braiding your hair, you can just leave it in the initial stage where it looks like a pony. So now I'm going to take this got to be glue and apply it on my hair, then brush it. This thing helped my hair, like my hair was sleek till the next day, till in the evening the next day. He really did the job. I just don't like how sticky it is. It was very, like, it was sticking to everything, to my comb, to my brushes. I could not wait to be done so I can just wash my hand because I was disgusted. I was tired. But the hair was slick, it was nice, it was exactly the way I wanted it. And I haven't really done my slick bun in this kind of style, like pushing it back and bringing my forehead out. It's usually to the sides, if you understand. Maybe I'll leave a picture so you can understand or see the difference in what I'm saying. But I liked it. I liked the way it came out. It was sleek as I wanted it, with little to no products. Like the sections in my hair don't have product, just the top part. So I'm going ahead to do another round of brushing because I need it to be very, sleek. and I tied it with 2 scarves. Yes, and that was it. I was ready to go to bed. Can you see? This is what came out of that braiding hair. Just imagine, waist. But I will see you later. Now this is the finished look. This is, I think, a week after, and the hair is still intact, sleek. I liked the way it looked. I rocked it so well for like 2 weeks. I enjoyed the hair. Like 1 week after this video, I was still rocking the hair. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked it, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.